So we back in the club, get the bodies rocking from side to side, side to side. Thank God a week is done. I feel like the sun may come back to life, back to life. Hands up, and suddenly we all put our hands up. No control of my body. Swear I've seen you before.
Wanna dance with me?
Remember those side to side. Ice, baby, tonight.
Pangkat naman eh.
Easy guys, falling in love again.
Nabalikat ka lang pala eh.
Yeah, baby, tonight. Easy guys, falling in love again. So next night is the last night of the last night. Gonna get you right. Yeah, baby, tonight. Easy guys, falling in love again.
Okay, and we're back. We go now to the second part
Of the
question
show.
and answer portion.
Alright.
Okay, this is what you call PNN Slam.
PNN Slam.
What is your favorite color? Elena.
I like yellow because yellow is a happy color.
Yellow.
Yay.
Okay, you don't like black? No way.
Black is not a color.
Black
just
is
saying,
not
just saying. Black is not a color.
Black is not a color, it's a person.
How about
Okay,
you, Yati?
yellow.
Yati?
That's
What
it.
color?
White?
White.
Yeah.
Why?
Skin.
Okay.
Yellow.
Okay.
Okay.
Ford.
Yellow.
Yellow din?
Oh, maganda sa paningin.
Oh. How about Ford?
Blue and red. 'Cause
Blue and red.
Philippines.
Okay, color of the Philippines, blue and red.
And of course, Hannah?
Orange.
Bianca.
Yep, orange.
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 Bright and
Wha-
happy.
Happy.
Bright and happy. Bright.
Bright and
Bright and
happy.
happy.
Orange.
Hannah.
Blue. Like a royal blue.
Okay, blue. How about food?
My favorite food is chocolate.
Chocolate. Me too.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Oh, Bianca? Food?
Yeah, I have to say ice cream actually.
Ice cream.
Chocolate and ice cream.
Oh.
That's a
combo.
perfect
We're very
tandem.
healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Filipino food po, yung I love to cook sinigang kasi.
Sinigang
na
sabaw.
No,
Sini-
baboy.
Sinigang na
Baboy.
Baboy.
Or sinigang.
Baboy.
Sorry.
baboy.
How about pork?
Sorry tuloy.
Ako po, syempre Filipino, sinigang na isda po.
Yan. Sinigang na isda.
Okay, Yati?
Yan.
Food?
Say
Favorite food?
ice cream too.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Like when you're too full, you still have space for ice cream.
Okay.
Okay.
Two food.
How about Elena? Favorite food?
Duck rice, ice cream, chocolate.
Lahat.
laksa,
Okay.
chicken rice. Okay, actually everything. I like
Everything.
everything.
Okay, I think
yeah.
that's the menu.
yeah, true.
Yeah. Okay.
How about pet? Elena.
Oh.
Oh, he's looking at
he's a
you.
No. I'm not really a great fan of pets.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think they're cute, but I don't like them. Yeah.
Okay, they're just
Okay.
cute.
Yeah,
You don't
they're
like.
just cute.
Just like you. You're cute, but she doesn't like you.
True.
Yeah.
Okay, Yati. Your pet.
I don't really have a pet either.
But?
Okay.
Because when I was younger, I have eczema. So
Mm.
my mom doesn't allow us to keep. So
Okay. So you better don't stay
Stay
away, from
them.
Yahtzee, okay?
How about four? Pet?
Dog po.
Dog.
Dog.
Sweet kasi and smart.
Okay,
Like
dog.
who?
Sweet and smart.
Turtle.
Turtle.
Opo.
Bakit turtle?
Kasi di ba they said na parang malas?
Oh, ay hindi ko alam yun.
I don't
Oh,
know.
Malas daw yun?
Yes, but for me hindi naman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nasa
Turtle.
tao lang yan.
Paborito niya.
Lucky turtle.
About
Okay.
Bianca? Your pet?
Dogs.
Dogs.
Dog.
Yeah, good companions.
Yeah, good companion.
Any particular dog? Any breed?
Daffy?
Okay. No, Askal.
Askal sa Pilipinas lang. Oo.
Okay.
Oh,
Hannah.
How about Hannah?
Dogs. As
Dogs.
Well. Yes, I have
Oh, you
two.
both.
So I like all breeds. They're all
Okay.
Great, so.
Dogs.
How about
Nobody likes a monkey.
Song. What's your favorite song?
It's a tough one. I like all music really, but I'd have to say Ben Harper's my favorite artist. And
Okay.
any of his songs really. Walk Away. I like them all, so I couldn't even name one. But Ben Harper is great. Yeah.
Okay.
I'd have to say Holy Grail by Hunters and Collectors.
Alam mo yun?
No.
Or Michael Franti.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know it?
Mine,
Your song, huh? Okay.
mine is songs.
Hero song.
Yeah, because I'm Christian. Then.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. How about
Wala pa tayong
you?
tinatamaan.
Huh?
Sa akin pa, yan, God will make a way. Kasi maraming challenges sa team namin.
God
Lagi
will
itong
make a
prayers.
way. Oh. You. Alright, Elena. Favorite song?
He's thinking. He's
No,
thinking.
I like all mainstream songs. Maybe I'm too uncool for you guys because I don't even know any of the songs they just mentioned.
Yeah, like us.
Okay.
Don't know any of the
Yay.
songs. Yeah. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay.
Name any song. Any song that you like.
Like the
Hopefully we
song
know
you
it.
just played just now. Okay, what was that song?
DJ.
Oh yeah,
You
DJ
like
got
that
us
song?
falling in love again.
Okay.
Yeah,
Usher.
along that line.
Usher.
Yeah.
Okay. How about Yati?
I listen to Chinese songs more, so I don't think if I list any, you will understand.
Chinese song.
Try us. Try us.
Try it.
Try us.
it.
Try us. What's your favorite Chinese song?
Chinese song.
Try us.
Crush. Not exactly. It's like no one in particular also. But back when I was when I was 15, right? Then we went for some competition, like FIBA competition. And
Okay.
And then I kind of thought that this Taiwan player was quite cool.
Oh,
Yo.
Taiwan player.
yeah. But apart from that, no one else. Yeah.
So
You don't know him.
from Taiwan. Okay.
Yati?
I don't really watch NBA, but the last Olympic that I watched, I actually think Candice Parker was quite cool.
Parker.
Yeah, from USA.
Parker.
Okay.
S-P-U-R-S. How about you? Hannah?
Growing up,
Mhm.
I had a lot of idols because I watched a lot of the NBA and that. And I'd have to say I like Scottie Pippen the best from
Okay.
the Chicago Bulls.
Scotty.
Yeah. Bianca.
Probably the same.
Scotty.
Remembering growing up would be maybe Karl Malone.
Okay, the
And
mailman.
the final series between Chicago and Yep.
Well, I'm not really fanatic of NBA and PBA, but I do like Norwood and
Yeah.
James Yap.
Wow.
Oh.
James Yap.
James Sharp.
How about Ford?
Ay, syempre, James Yap din po ako. Eh,
Okay, so what was your embarrassing moment while you were playing?
I think I've had a lot of embarrassing moments, and it's usually when I fall over if no one's near me. They
You
say
just fall over?
sometimes, yes. Like
Okay.
the line jumps up and trips me up.
Oh.
So I'd have to say, just general stuff. I'm a pretty goofy person, so I just all types
Okay.
of stuff.
Bianca.
I'm
Any embarrassing
actually
moment?
kind of the same, quite goofy. I think once I actually rolled my ankle, no one else was near me at all.
You just broke your ankle?
Rolled it, rolled it myself,
Okay.
sprained it.
Oh,
No one
you're
else.
just like this guy. This guy just suddenly fall over. Nobody's there. How about Elena?
For me, can't really think of any offhand right now, but I think when I was younger, then I shot my free throws very awkwardly. I thought it was quite embarrassing. It's like everyone always mocked me, but I never understood why. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
Kaya si.
How about Yasi?
Something like what
Embarrassing.
happened to them, but not exactly like like if I'm chasing after the ball, and the next thing I thought I got the ball, but I slipped with the ball, and I went out.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, mine
You?
is when we play in Australia last 2010,
Hmm.
when one player of Australia stepped on my shoes, then I keep on shouting to the referee, "Hey, someone step on my shoes!" Then the referee,
Okay.
what, like that.
Di alam.
Siguro
Di
sa
kami
akin
referee.
nung rookie years ko sa may sa may national team nung umiyak po ako.
Bakit?
Kasi pinagalitan ako ng coach ko, hindi ako nakashoot ng free throw, crucial.
Ah,
Umiyak po ako.
yun. Pinapagalitan. Crucial shot. Okay.
Yeah.
This is
Now, the favorite
This is
question.
Our
very,
Complete.
very
What?
what?
Very
Intellectual
yeah.
question
How do you define love?
in the basketball court.
Yeah.
No. How do you define love?
Turn it. Yatsi. Oh. Ano?
I think probably happiness.
Yeah.
Love. Full of
And
Love
happiness.
is full of
chocolate.
happiness.
Oh, Bianca. Full of happiness.
I'd probably say having the opportunity to spend time with you, finding a best friend,
Okay.
falling in love with your best friend.
Yeah.
Finding a guy that you feel as though he's your best friend. You're
Yeah.
happy to spend.
Oh.
You can do anything with them, say to them, feel completely comfortable.
That's love.
That's love for Hannah.
Okay,
No,
on the
Bianca.
court po,
Bianca.
love for me when I satisfy my coach, like sa mga moves.
Oh.
Then pag we saw our coach very happy sa defense,
Defense.
whenever we stop, syempre yung mga kalaban namin, then love, God,
God is
God is
love.
love.
yeah, because God is love. That basically parang whenever that I pray, parang nandun yung I can feel the love of God. Yeah,
Okay.
for me, love is God.
Okay. Ford?
For me,
For
love
ikaw.
is happiness and sacrifices po. Kasi like sa amin, parang love namin yung basketball. Kaya nagsasacrifice kami. Parang malayo kami sa family namin. Everyday practice, hard practice. So, nagsasacrifice talaga kami para sa love namin sa basketball, sa love namin sa country po.
Yan.
Yatsi.
Love is sacrifice.
Yatsi.
It's putting in 100%.
100%
Yeah, on court,
on the court.
and partly sacrificing for whatever you like, friendship, your time with family,
Okay.
to gain whatever you need on court.
Giving it your 100%.
Alright.
That is love
Yeah,
for
Elaine.
Yancy. How about Elena? What is love for you?
Yeah.
I think they cover everything. So
It covers everything.
yeah, they cover everything.
Okay.
Love is kind of undefined, but I got a song to sing.
Okay. Hey.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. B is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you will always love. Okay, yeah, love.
Yes.
Elena.
Okay.
Okay, so tapos na yung slam, PNN slam. Mamaya po yung last part natin. Madadalan tagiraray sa tuyang mga bisita ko niya nabanggit from the second Discovery
Women's Basketball Invitational.
Mabalik pa po ang Pusnga Naga.
Pusnyak Naga, Pusnyak Naga. Say what? Pusnyak Naga, Pusnyak Naga. Here we go.